Il-President tal-MHRA Tony Zahra qal li huwa strateġikament importanti li l-AirMalta ma tiġix privatizzata u li għandha tibqa' il-linja tal-ajru nazzjonali.
And the reason why we do not feel that it should be privatized, because if one day this company is privatized and it is lost to the island, you have lost control on what brings tourism to Malta.
Tony Zahra qal li bħala President tal-MHRA huwa ngħata assigurazzjoni mill-Gvern u mill-AirMalta li l-ebda slot jew rotta tal-AirMalta mhux se jonqsu. Il-President tal-MHRA jgħid il-kontijiet tad-dawl u l-ilma l-industrija tat-turiżmu jibqgħu piż kbir.
It is eating away at our bottom line. In the last fortnight I have asked for and been given a date for a meeting to be held at MCSD specifically on the l-Malta issue.
Tony Zahra kritika lil Transport Malta minħabba li x-xogħlijiet fit-toroq waqgħu lura. Iqabbel l-istat tat-toroq tagħna ma' pajjiż fil-gwerra.
Cannot accept that product Malta is turned into, well, it was going to be Lebanon, but Lebanon is even better than us now. I think it's going to be Syria, product Syria. Wherever we go, the roads are up. If they are not up because they are digging them up, they are up because the rain has taken them away. We were in Gozo 3 weeks ago, 4 weeks ago. It was a joke. You couldn't say anything but a joke. And it is not acceptable anymore.
Dawk involuti fit-turiżmu għadhom qed jippretendu titjib fis-servizz tat-trasport pubbliku għal Tony Zahra.
We hope that Arriva will this year deliver and deliver on time.
Tony Zahra qal dan waqt il-preżentazzjoni tar-riżultati tat-turiżmu għas-sena 2011. Għalkemm dawn ir-riżultati kienu pożittivi, is-sitwazzjoni għas-sena 2012 hija waħda b'isfidi għat-turiżmu ta' pajjiżna. Fi frar ta' din is-sena naqas il-moviment tal-passiġġieri ġew anqas turisti f'pajjiżna u niżlet is-seat capacity. Bl-istess mod fi frar ta' din is-sena naqset ukoll l-okkupanza fil-lukandi b'aktar minn 4%.